Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the top 5 best hardwood floor mops in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these best hardwood floor mops you can check out the description below. So let's get started. Number 1. Microfiber Mop for hardwood floors. If you're looking for a no-frills manual mop, this microfiber model from Cinch could be the perfect fit. It's designed with durability in mind, and the aluminum handle screws together to form a strong and sturdy unit. This kit also includes 2 reusable mop pads that can be machine washed over 100 times, making them much less wasteful than mops that use disposable pads. This mop's basic design means it's easy to store when not in use, making it a great option for those who would prefer not to have a bulky tool lying around. Number 2. Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Robot. This robotic mop is a great choice for those who need their hardwood floors clean but may not have the time or interest in using a manual tool. A pair of rotating mop pads scrub your floors as the machine moves around the room, and the unit's smart sensors ensure that it's always working efficiently. Plus, the lithium-ion battery provides 130 minutes of runtime. Our favorite feature of this mop is that it includes a separate vacuum component, which can be used to clear the floor of pet hair and other debris before mopping, saving you even more time and energy. Number 3. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System. We love how easy this mop is to use, and since it includes everything you need to get started, including a bucket, it's an excellent value for the price. After you submerge the mop in your preferred cleaning liquid, you can use the foot-operated lever on the bucket to spin it, ensuring that the mop is damp, not soaking, before you use it on your hardwood floors. Since you don't have to bend over as much as you would using a traditional mop bucket, it's easier on your back as well. We also love the triangular shape of the mop head, which makes it easy to effectively access and clean corners and other tight areas. Better yet, thanks to the 3 included mop heads, you should always have one clean and ready to use. Number 4. Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray Mop. We've been using Bona hardwood floor cleaners for years, and this spray mop is a great example of why. The included cleaning liquid is specifically designed to be safe and effective on any polyurethane finished floors and is dispersed in a fine mist that won't oversaturate your hardwoods. We also appreciate the soft corners of the 14.5-inch mop head, which ensure that you won't leave scratches or dents on your baseboards or furniture. The mop operates by simply pulling a trigger, so you won't need to worry about recharging batteries or searching for an electrical outlet. Number 5. iRobot Braava Jet M6 Ultimate Robot Mop. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 robotic mop first vacuums your floors to pick up any loose debris, then goes back around to mop them. It uses learning technology to map your room or multiple rooms and figure out the best path to take and which functions to use during cleaning. The motion sensor knows when there is something in the way and avoids getting stuck in corners or when there is a drop, so that it won't fall downstairs.